Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mystery from Kpop Demon Hunters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off at the top and we're going to draw the bangs. We'll start with 2 curves down and out. And then curve them back up at the ends. Now let's draw another piece at the bottom by curving it out and up. And the same on the right side. Now let's add one more curve out. And for this one, let's curve it up with a wavy line like this. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the shape of the face. On both sides, let's draw a small angle down and in. And then let's bring it down to a point for the chin. Now inside the face, let's draw a small curve for the nose. And then a straight line across for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop out and draw the ears. Let's start on the sides on top of the hair here, and let's draw a bump and continue it underneath by curving it in. Now let's draw the earrings by drawing a line down and then add a triangle at the bottom of each line. Now let's hop back up and let's finish drawing the hair. Let's start with the curve on top. Then from both ends, we're going to bring it out. And then let's bring it back down and curve it in to the ears. Now inside on both sides, let's draw one more curve. And that's it for the top of the head. Now let's move down under the head and we're going to draw 2 curves down and out for the neck. And then continue them outwards for the shoulders. Now on both sides of the neck, let's draw some hair with a curve down and up. Another one next to it. And one more curve down. Now top inside the neck and let's draw a curve across for the top of the shirt. Now to continue the body, under the shoulders, let's draw an angle down and in. Then let's bring it down for the sides of the sweater. And close it off at the bottom. Now top inside and let's draw a large V near the top. And one more underneath. Now on the right side, we're going to draw a 4-pointed star by drawing 2 curves down and out. And 2 more curves underneath. And let's do the same thing underneath and a little bit smaller. Now top underneath the sweater, we're going to step in from both sides and we're going to draw a small line down. And then a curve across. Now top to the sides and draw the arms. Let's draw 2 curves down on the left and the same on the right side. and then 2 more bumps down underneath. Now underneath for the hands, let's draw a small angle from the inside line. Then let's curve it down and up for the thumbs. Now let's draw another angle out. Then let's curve it in and up. And then an angle to close off the hands. Lastly, for the arms here, let's add the gloves. We'll start with a curve inside the arms, and then a curve across the fingers here. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back in and draw the legs. Let's start underneath both sides of the body and let's draw a long line down. Then let's hop in and let's draw a curve across at the top. Now inside the waistband, let's draw a circle in the middle. And then 2 lines down on the left and on the right. Now top down underneath, and we're going to draw a line down in the center and curve it up. And then let's draw 2 more lines down to the inside of the legs. And close off the bottom of each side with a curve. Now inside the pants, let's draw the pockets with a curve at the top corners. And lastly, for the pants, we're going to draw the chain hanging on the right side. On the top right, let's draw a small 4-pointed star like this. Then let's draw the chain by drawing small circles going up, and the same thing underneath, curving it over to the right side. And that's it for the pants. Now let's move down and draw the feet. Let's start underneath each leg and let's draw a small angle down, and then a longer one next to it on the inside. Now for the tongue of the shoe, let's draw an angled line and bring it in underneath both sides and close off the bottom. Now next to this, let's draw a curve over to the other line we drew earlier. Now to continue the shoes, let's start by drawing a curve down on the inside and bring it down underneath. Now let's hop out and let's bring it out and curve it down. And then close off the bottom of each shoe. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the details. Let's add another line across the bottom. Then inside the toe of the shoe, let's draw 2 curves down like this. And then an angle at the top here. And draw some curves inside for the shoelaces. And then lastly, let's add 1 more curve down at the back of the shoes. And that's it for Mystery. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!